Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to equalize drums in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, where you can get started finding all the instruments that you can play, you can get started recording yourself, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with equalizing our drums. The first thing we want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the drums option right here. So go ahead and scroll down until you find drums, and now we can find the drum section right here where we can get started recording ourselves playing the drums. This is the recording menu, which you can use the big red circle at the top of the screen to start a recording process, and you can get started playing your drums. After you have gotten your recording, your track, and now you want to equalize this, you can go into the recording menu right here in the upper left corner. That's going to open up the track menu where you can see all the tracks that you have, and now this is going to appear a slider option. So click on the slider section right here. That's going to open up your track settings, and as you can see guys, here we can see our track settings. We have the track settings, and alongside that we have the plugins and equalizer. So guys, if you want to EQ your drums, this is where you want to do it. So go ahead and click on plugins and EQ, and here you can find your effect EQ and visual equalizer. So you can go ahead and use both of the options right here, turn them off and on, and use them to get your desired effect that you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.